Good morning, this is Ruben from R&D Collision and Detail, or R, we're playing around with the name, you guys get it. So it's going to be R&D for sure. I think it's going to be Detail and Collision now, so we'll roll with it. Here's Simba, going crazy. Morning, it's always crazy with Simba. So what we're going to be doing now is obviously we're going to go for a walk, take care of the dog, make sure he's good for the day, and that's pretty much it. Today we're gonna have a Nissan Rogue coming in. So with this Nissan, hopefully it's not that bad. I'm looking at this and it looks like a dead fly. Let me bring you guys in. Yeah, oh, dead fly. I thought it was like a little dropping from like a rat or something, so good thing it's not. Sorry. So with this Nissan Rogue, we got interior detail. Obviously we're doing right now as a courtesy the exterior washes, so it's pretty much going to be complete, but we're starting, we got to do something. So let's wait for the car to come in. Well, before then, let's make sure we walk the dog, feed him, and then get our exercise in, which everything will be good, and hopefully by then the car should be here. So 1, 2, 3, the car will be here. All right, so we have the vehicle here. I'm going to show you guys in just a minute, but this is going to see, it's going to be a good one. All right, I'm getting closer. All right, guys ready? Yes, this is the Nissan Murano or Rogue that we were talking about. It's obviously seen better days. It's got some damage here, damage rear bumper, missing a few of those little roof rack caps. Outside, we're pretty much just giving it a wash as a courtesy. Damage right there, damage right there. Yeah, it's bad. Now let me show you guys the inside. This is gonna be bad. All right, this is the best part. This is where it's least dirty. So you got some little staining on the trim panel, a little staining on the seat. But look at the center console, dash. Now look at this. This is the rear seat area. Whew. Oh man, I don't know if the sun let you see it, but I already sprayed a virus killer in here just in case, just to be safe. Again, look at that. You guys see it on the other side in just a minute. Look, there's even chips right there. This is going to be a few hours on this car. Easy. Now look here. Definitely give it a shot. Make it look better. I can't guarantee it's going to look 100%. So let's park this thing on the driveway and start working on this thing. All right, so first tip is vacuuming. I don't see very much debris in there, but still got to clean it out. So let's grab the vacuum and start working. So right here we're gonna do a little progress report and just stop to have some breakfast. So let me show you what we have done already. So done the front seat, interior carpet, and obviously cleaned the trim panels. We started on this. Well, the seats, look at what it used to be, what it is now. It's not gonna get any better. Then the carpets, it was like that. We got to do this. It's not beautiful, but it's better. Obviously this detail is going to be better, not perfect. So I'm going to put you guys down here, and I got to hurry up. I got a time frame to meet, so I'll take you guys to the very end and I'll show you the whole thing. You guys kind of get the idea, extracting everything. So let's go ahead, get this thing done. All right, so we're done. Pretty much all I have to do is show you what's going on, and that's it. Are you guys ready? You guys ready? Okay, let's do it. All right, so we have here Nissan. Obviously, we just give it a little bath. Looks a lot better. Now look at the interior. See how it was? It's another car. I know it's not perfect, but it's better. We have gum there, we can't take that off. All right, try scraping it, doesn't come off. But again, better, it's not perfect. This thing, all the only thing I couldn't take out is here. Everything else looks way better. See? Again, better, not perfection. Like here, there's gum here. All those things are pieces of gum that are never gonna come off. And the headliner too. Clean that out. All right, so let's close this thing up and take a few beauty shots. Good morning again. Sorry for not ending the video yesterday when I finished the car. Had too many things going on, so by the time I had to finish it, clean up, go get something to eat, and do something with the family, it was too late to do it. So I'm closing up the video today. So you guys, if you guys like these videos, like and subscribe, follow, comment, and I'll see you guys next video.